In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add allowed sites and domain restrictions under privacy. If you want to control where your content, integration, or embedded experience can be used, domain restrictions are a very useful setting. They let you specify exactly which websites are allowed, helping improve security and making sure access is limited to trusted domains only. To get started, open the privacy section of your settings. This is the area where access and visibility controls are usually managed, so if you ever need to update who can use or view something, this is a good place to check first. Once you're in privacy, look for the domain restrictions section. This is where you manage the list of approved websites. If domain restrictions are available for your setup, you should see an option that allows you to define which sites are permitted. From there, choose the option to add allowed sites. This will open the field or area where you can enter the domains you want to approve. Be careful to enter each site correctly, since even a small typo can prevent a domain from being recognized properly. When adding a site, use the correct domain format exactly as required by the platform. In many cases, this means entering the main domain or a specific subdomain depending on how tightly you want to limit access. If your organization uses more than one website, make sure each approved site is added as needed. After entering the allowed sites, review the list before saving. This is a good moment to double check spelling, confirm you haven't missed any required domains, and make sure there are no unnecessary entries. Keeping this list clean helps avoid confusion later, and reduces the chance of unintentionally allowing access from the wrong place. Once everything looks correct, save your changes. Saving applies the updated domain restrictions and activates the allowed site list you just configured. After that, it's a good idea to test the setup from one of the approved domains to make sure everything works as expected. If access doesn't behave correctly, go back to the domain restrictions list and verify that the site was entered in the proper format. That's all you need to do. By going to privacy, opening domain restrictions, and adding your allowed sites carefully, you can create a more secure and controlled environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.